1974 Pontiac Trans Am red over black interior. This car is absolutely beautiful. Very, very, very well restored. Very clean. Fit and finish is awesome. Pontiac 400 engine. It's got the screaming chicken, as some people call it, on the hood, which would be the bird. Looks awesome. Shaker hood. Nice wheels. Radial Cooper Cobra tires. Back window louvers. Dual exhaust. Very, very nice Trans Am here. Check out this interior. Super clean. The seats are in awesome shape. I'm gonna fire it up for you. Gauges look awesome, super clear. Engine sounds really good and healthy. Go through the electronics. There's your wipers. There's your horn. Check out, this does have factory AC. It does have R134A refrigerant in it, which is the newer stuff. You can feel it starting to blow a little bit. We'll check out the compressor when I open the hood. It does have an aftermarket radio. Let's see here, what's a code? I'll have to figure that out later, but the stereo does sound really good when it's working. Automatic transmission. Dash, everything's in very lovely shape in here. Gotta love sitting behind the steering wheel with that shaker hood in front of you. Alright, take a look under the hood. Door closes perfect. Hood opens nice and easy. Alright, check out this engine bay. Pontiac 400 engine. Power front disc brakes. Power steering. Factory air conditioning. Engine sounds really healthy. Check out our AC compressor here. We're going to turn the AC on. Alright, there's your AC clutch. It's now engaged and spinning. You can see the R134A fittings on there. I'm going to turn it off. Alright, you can see the clutch is not on anymore. This is an older factory air system, so keep in mind it's not going to blow ice cold like a modern car, but it will blow cool. Paint on the car overall, fantastic shape. Fit and finish, the way the hood and doors fit is very nice. Does have a little touch up right here from maybe a stone chip. One more small one right there. Cooper Cobra radial tires. Date code 2021 on the tires, so they're not too bad. Lovely dash. Door closes good. Really love the look of those back window louvers. Exhaust sounds awesome. Not too loud, not too quiet. If you're interested in this 1974 Pontiac Trans Am, please scroll down. We'll have a link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price, undercarriage pictures. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.